In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sort folders and files in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to quickly reorder your Google Drive so the items you need appear at the top using the built-in sort menu. First, open Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser. When your drive loads, make sure you can see your folders and files on the main screen. Next, click Sort. This is the A to Z icon near the top right of the file area, just above your files and folders. Clicking it opens a small menu with your sorting options. Choose Name. This arranges everything alphabetically by the item's name. You'll see the list or grid immediately update, so items starting with numbers or letters near A appear first and items near Z appear later. This is helpful when you know the title you're looking for, or when you prefer a clean A to Z structure. Sorting by name only changes the order you're viewing. It doesn't rename, move, or share anything differently. Your files and folders themselves stay exactly where they are. Now choose Last Modified. Open the same sort menu and select Last Modified. Your drive view updates to show the most recently changed items at the top. Modified includes edits to file content, moving an item or renaming it, and it reflects changes made by anyone who has access to the item. Use this when you want to jump straight to the work that was updated most recently, regardless of who changed it. Again, this is just a viewing order for your convenience. It does not affect how other people see shared folders unless they choose the same sort in their own drive. Next, choose Last Modified by Me. Open the sort menu again and select Last Modified by Me. This filters the recency logic to only your own edits. The items you personally changed most recently move to the top, even if other collaborators have been editing different files. This is useful when you're resuming your own tasks and want to quickly continue where you left off. You'll notice the list reorganize instantly, confirming the sort is applied. Finally, choose Last Open by Me. Open the sort menu once more and select Last Open by Me. Now, your drive orders items based on the last time you opened them, with your most recently viewed files and folders first. This is ideal when you want to return to something you looked at earlier, even if you didn't edit it. The view updates right away so you can scan from the top and get back into your recent work without searching. I say at this point you've used all 4 sorting options available in Google Drive. Name, Last Modified by Me, and Last Opened by Me. Each one simply changes how your current folder's contents are displayed on your screen. It doesn't delete anything, change permissions, or move files between folders. If you're reviewing a shared drive or a shared folder, remember that Last Modified shows changes made by anyone with access, while the By Me and Opened by Me options focus strictly on your own activity. If you're working in list view or grid view, the sort menu works the same way. As you select each option, watch the order of folders and files shift immediately so you know the sort is active. If you don't see what you expect, double check that you're looking in the correct folder and that you selected the intended option from the sort menu. That's it. You've successfully sorted folders and files in Google Drive by name and by recent activity using the sort menu to bring the right items to the top of your view. Your sorting is now set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.